So if you wanna be my number one, you wanna be, if you want to be my number one, let me know your future plan.
Happy New Year!
Alright, my number one. Happy New Year!
Happy New Year!
Right about now. Yeah, man. Come watch the pirates. You this. You see fire blaze on beach, so you this, girl. Run the track.
Oh my God. Now I'm going to have to learn how to say 2010 and write it. What? Yeah. Who was your first? Who was your first complainer? Me.
Are you ready to go home?
Yeah, man.
I can't hear you. Are you ready to go home?
No. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
So maybe I like we don't care. Come on, let me see the anthem. Over this, so.
Don't let us take my drink.
I'm over here, so. Watch the fireworks out on the west end. Watch it. We're nice sky, them go. On the west end, watch it. We're nice sky. Fireworks all over. Left, right, and center. Fireworks. Right here, you're safe and sound, nothing happens to none of us. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. Ole, 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 ole. Hey, ole, ole, ole. Pirina, ta, ta. Ta, 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 ta. You like the fire, so desire. beautiful friend. Checking out the system, checking out the music. Everybody love it. Happy New Year! I can hear you. Say whoa! Yeah! It's nice to be at the corner right about now. No fatality. They are so hard to win. No fatality. Make sure to straighten out.
Give me a jet ski and
Yeah. Right about we're going to say stick with you.
Happy New Year, everybody.
Happy New Year!
We want to thank you all for joining us tonight from Canoe. It's been wonderful here on New Year's Eve. We're going to be back on Saturday from Season Our Inn, so don't forget that, folks.
Are we going?
It's time for us now to just sit back and party and have some fun.
Bye, everybody!
Take care, everybody.